Hello everyone, Jeffery Krueger here. I didn't do a video on how I dip my bullets in 100% beeswax. My Colt 45 bullets that I am now sizing to 451, but I'm going to show you a little tip that helped me anyways, on the way I do it. See, what you see here is just a beautiful ruby, and that ruby has this little holder, and I do have another one that I used for dipping my bullets. I had this stainless steel mixing bowl that I have a real small antique heater that just melts that wax perfectly, and then this thing is so cool. Let me just show you up close. It has these, you see that? It has these little tiny wires that come out. There we go. And those wires they actually nest around the gem when you're using them for gems. That's what they're made for. But the tips of these are a little sharp, and but they work really nice. I can just come over and grab a bullet like this. Look at that. There's one that I've sized and waxed already, and look at that, it's not going to fall off. Look at that, I can sit there and just go right in there and dip. Nice. And they aren't going to fall in there. I just did all of these and never had any of them drop in there, and I really like the way this worked for me. You know, it's just a nice deal. You know, you can just go right up and grab a bullet. Look at that. And dip it, whatever, put it back. I just love it. But anyways, that just turned out to be really good for me because my hands are so big, and I just can't, I can't sit there, and there's no way I'm gonna sit there and try to dip that by hand with all the heat, but my hand gets slippery and drop them in there. But anyways, this is my True Line Junior Lyman press. They made these in I think the later 50s and in the 60s. But anyways, here's what I'm doing. I've dipped my bullet, and it needs to be sized to 451, and I just go like this. I just adapted this to the actual press, and I just take and I clean off the little bit of wax that comes up through the top a little bit, and then while I'm doing, see if I can get that up there. That's 100% beeswax there, folks, and it's beautiful stuff. Got a little on my thumb there. But anyways, what I do then is I take the opportunity to micrometer the bullet. I'll leave it right here because I'm going to clean it off a little better and mic it before I put it over there. So anyway, so let's just do a couple of these, and I'll show you how this works for me. There's another one. Let's do another one here. I get a little tiny bit of wax that comes out the bottom a little bit, but this leaves a nice wax in the groove there for me. And then when that gets built up a little bit like this, it comes right off, and I just roll it up in a little ball and put it over here in a little ball like that. No big deal. There we go. Let's do a couple more. Oh, that little bit came through there. Whoop. Should have grabbed it. Okay. So anyways, this is how I'm getting the beeswax in these grooves, and getting them sized to 451. There we go. But these Lyman presses are great. Like I said, they're still reasonably priced online. So thank you very much for watching, and have an excellent day, everybody.